folks, welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Today we're doing pen cases. Not just any pen cases, but we're doing pen cases. In this video, a special thank you to Lena, the one and only Pen Boutique herself. Thank you for sending these out to me, Lena. I really appreciate all your help, but we got a lot of pen cases to talk about. We're going to talk about the pen cases that are now but have been redesigned, and I'm going to fill you in and all this stuff, so bear with me. So, we got a this, and we got a that, and we got others. So here we go. This is the Yak. Nice, soft leather, very durable, meant to last. I mean, it's very cool, and right in the back, you'll see the Yak right there, okay? And the Yak is, Mr. Announcer, a picture of the
a yak is something akin to a water buffalo, I think.
Or you can go yakety yak, don't come back. So anyway, it's got a nice zipper on it right here. And I do like the back as well of it. It's made to last, it's durable. I've been checking this pen case out for a while now. And there's going to be an upgrade on this pen case, so keep that in mind. I want to show you what the first kind of prototype looks like, but they've changed that, and it's going to become something a little bit different. So let's unzip this. It's going to give you a working idea of what the new one's going to be like. So here we go. Unzip a nice zipper. Very nice zipper. And in fact, we have two zippers that I want to show you. You have two, not just one. One, two. And let's open it up. Now, I do have some pins in here to show you what this pen case can hold. So, yeah. Okay, these are the horizontal, and this side's the vertical. It's different. They do work. And, of course, the loop's in here. And this is the bigger loop, but inside this loop, it has another loop, a smaller, tighter loop that you can put even the thin pins in as well, to stay in securely, and then you can put the big girthier pins without using the small rubber on the inside of the loop, and this loop will securely hold it. All leather, and you see all the pins. So, you know, here's my Monte Grappa. Here's my Magna Carta pins, nice size pins. My Pelican. And the Sailor, King of Pens, is in there. And of course have some Waterman, Cross, Coconut American, and got some Edison pens, Collier pens in here, nice size, different size, girth, length, to give you kind of a working idea what this pen case can do. And in the back is kind of felt like a velour. What do you think? Real soft.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And then they have this pad in here in the middle to divide it to keep them safe from not touching each other. And for those who just freak out, you can do that. And just throw it away if you don't want it, but that's up to you. But I would keep it in there, because if you don't, your pens are going to rub together. So I would highly recommend, suggest. And the new one will be coming out. And when it does, I'll be getting some new ones to show you. And that way you can order some. So, and you can stick this wherever you want. And I can stick it higher, but as you can see, everything is secure in there. And bam, 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 and we're done with that. Okay. Now, don't go away. The show's only begun. Here we go with the new one. That's the black one. Now let's throw this away. Now real quick in this video, remember I've said when you start hearing me talk about Pen Boutique and you want to get in on the giveaway, as soon as you hear it, you need to mail me at
Larry B0711 at gmail.com.
Into your name for the giveaway. Just say, I'm in Larry, I heard about the giveaway, or just put your name giveaway in, however you want to do it. I'll understand what you're talking about, and then we choose a winner, and the winner is going to get a $50 gift certificate that I am purchasing from Pen Boutique. Okay, so then once the winner is chosen, then all you have to do, I think I'll have to call Pen Boutique and give them the winner's information and their website, not website, their email. I apologize, their email, so they can send you the email how to redeem your certificate. $50, bam, nice pen cases, bam. So here we go. Again, you have the Yak emblem back here. Beautiful, nice leather, just really, really gorgeous, nice on both sides. Of course, ends really, really made well to last. And this, my friends, let's unzip this little jewel. And this one is going to have two zippers as well. Here we go. Really a nice pen case. And one down, other to go, and let's open it inside. Now let's look at 1 and 2. Okay, now this one holds 24 pen case. You got 6 on each one. 6, 6, 12, 12, 24. And of course, this also comes out as well. And you can put that back in as well. And that just feels so nice, so soft to the touch. It's going to take care and protect your pens completely. You have the two different loops in here, like the previous one did. It's got the large loop for larger pens, like I showed you. Then it's got a small strap inside underneath here for thinner pens. Okay? So, very nicely done. And they'll be coming out with a new design, I believe, if I'm correct, and I'll be waiting for that to come out. So these are extremely nice pen cases. So I don't know about you, but I am very picky on pen cases. I've tried a lot of pen cases, and there are a lot of great pen cases out there. Trust me, a lot of great ones. But like the Yak, I did a video previously on the 10 pen case, really nice, just beautifully made, well designed, and I think it's for like 72 bucks, where you get the same, almost the same type of pen case, but with a different brand, really a brand that I don't want to mention, but for $200 and some odd. I just can't see that. Wow, you know. But anyway, great pen cases, 2 zippers on it with leather end pulls, really nicely made. It just feels so nice to the touch. You know, if you get one of these pen cases I'm showing you, you're going to love it. You're going to say, hey, Larry was so correct on his jam. Oh, we're not done yet. We got more. Are you into different colored ones? Just a few. Here's a pink one. Beautiful color. Here is a yellow one. Really nice color. And a green one. So, for those of you that have pink pens, bam. Those of you who have yellow pens, bam. Those of you who have green pens, bam. Mix and match, whatever color you want to put in there, it's going to do it. So, let's open one out. Which one do you want to open up, Mr. Announcer?
Green.
Green it is. Down, down, down. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You want to stay tuned to all this because there's a lot going on here today. First of all, they all come with a keychain. Isn't that cool? A keychain. And you're going to see the Yak logo on here as well. So you can put your keys on there if you want. And then here is the beautiful pen case. And of course, on the back, as always, you're going to have the Yak logo on the leather pen case. So let's open it up. Really nicely made. I like the stitching that has been done on it. You know, it really looks sharp. So let's strap it here. And it's got that back kind of velour color. That kind of the velour soft liner inside to protect your pens. So let's put a pin in here real quick and see what happens. Now, it holds that pen nicely. So what if we put in a bigger pen? Because all pen cases are different. Remember that. Not all of them will hold the same. Isn't this your pen?
I think so.
Have we done a review on that yet? Oh, no, we haven't, have we?
I don't think we've... No, we haven't reviewed that one yet.
I can't do this on Mr. Announcer's pen. We haven't done a review on that. That would be absurd, wouldn't it, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
So, now here's a real big pen, the Giant Sequoia. Will it fit? I don't know. And yes, it does. The Giant Sequoia fits nicely, securely, and not a problem. There. Because some people will say that the large pens fit, that the girthier pens fit. Okay, so we have that. I've done the fountain pen revolution. Now we need to do a skinny pen. And we're going to do this cross pen. Nice and skinny. And you can put it there if you like, or put it inside, and it's going to work just as well. So there you go, one for one pen only. Okay, so really some really cool pen sleeve, don't you think?
And you know, they went to a lot of trouble to be able to find the green, yellow, and pink yaks.
Yes. Aren't they almost extinct?
I would think so.
Oh, yes. Oh. Please, Miss Custer. Okay, here we go. So, Pen Boutique has really come up with some interesting and very well-made pen cases. And they're going to be doing some updates on the previous pen cases. And they got a whole lot more other stuff going on behind the lines that I can't wait to show you, but I have to wait till it comes out. There's something about Pen Boutique. The owner is
Lena.
And her staff. They all kind of work together and give each other ideas and kind of look at things at all angles and what works and what doesn't work. Let's try this, let's try that. They want to come up with something different and unique. And she is a lady that I think likes to work not just inside the box, which is a safe zone to work, but likes to work outside the box. Come up with different, unique ideas, not try to follow anybody, not trying to copy anybody, but she wants to be her own creation. So she spends a lot of time dedicating her time to what she loves. And she's not only a pen enthusiast, but she's a wife, a mother, and she has her first doggie. Yay! You go, girl! Yep. So, and, you know, she loves to spend family time. So, and she also involved in different charities. So, when you buy something at Pen Boutique, so much of that, a percentage goes to different charities, helping others. And that's what it's all about, helping others. So, that's going to wrap it up for today. Now, don't go away, because, hey, you heard about the gift certificate I'm doing, right? Well, that's going on now. Bear with me. So, if you want to win one of these, you also want to put in what color you want. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. The winner will get the $50 gift certificate that I'm purchasing from Pimpo Deek. Got it? Cool. Now, these will go to the second place winner, third place winner, and fourth place winner. Cool. You got it? So, you have 4 chances to win something. You got that? Is that cool or not cool? Is that like super cool? I am super excited. I love giving stuff away.
So in their email that they send, for the first case, they say, I'm in for the giveaway or whatever. For this one, they have to pick one of the colors?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one color only then.
Yes. And you can be a beetle too. Yeah. Have that, Mr. Announcer.
Very good.
Thank you. Yeah. If y'all like to enroll in one of my classes, they're very reasonable. It's a Be All Like That class, and you can do it online now for only $500 an hour. That's pretty cheap. Yep. So, okay, folks, I've had a blast. I mean, it's been nothing but a blast. I love doing what I do. I really do. And what I love even more is you guys. You guys are utterly fantastic. Can you dig it? Peace, love. Be kind to someone today. Be thoughtful. Buy somebody a coffee. Buy somebody a lunch. Or help out someone in need. Like right now in India, they're really hurting real bad with the COVIDs. Hurting them real bad. So you can find, I believe, a link for that on the website for India. I don't know where that one is yet. And you can donate, even if you can donate $1 to help them out. You know, India is suffering real bad. And, you know, we as people need to come together and not just help one people, but help all people. And that's what united is sharing the love and getting together and bonding, understanding, respecting each other, who we are. I'm into that. Can you dig it? Can you really dig that? Can you feel it? Can you feel me? Yeah. So that's it for now. And please, don't text and drive. Remember, you can be a winner, a $50 gift certificate at Pen Boutique, or blah, blah, blah. Okay? You got it? Well, I'm done. Goodbye.